The nature of science is the search for truth in the way that the world works around us. An example of this search for truth can be found in the transition from the time of the geocentric theory to the acceptance of the heliocentric theory. For years and years, the geocentric theory had been accepted as truth by many in the religious community. Because the religious community accepted it as truth, so did the rest of the population around them. Although Aristarchus of Samos first proposed the idea that the Earth revolved around the Sun in the 3rd century BC, it was not until the 16th century that Nicholas Copernicus created a mathematical model of a heliocentric system. Copernicus and his radical ideas were met with heavy opposition at first by the religious community because it supposedly challenged their religious ideals. However, over time, as more and more evidence was produced supporting the heliocentric theory, it became accepted as truth over the previously trusted geocentric theory. Another example of the search for truth is shown by Galileo. Isaac Newton first discovered gravity, the force that the Earth applies to everything around it, causing things to be attracted to it. Galileo, however, had the first idea that everything falls at the same speed, weight notwithstanding. Despite the fact that he was challenging a well-known figure in society's ideas, and perhaps even reputation, Galileo had enough faith in his idea to test it repeatedly in his search for how gravity really worked. Through Galileo's persistency in suggesting his ideas, we now have a one-size-fits-all formula for acceleration, an equation that allows one to find the speed of a falling object without needing to find its weight or mass. A great part of the nature of science and the findings that come from it are the 5 senses. Touch, taste, sight,
Look at Coke.
hearing.
I can almost hear the Coke factory now.
Smell.
Smells like vanilla Coke.
Science is a wonderful thing, and its nature is pure. Thanks to the nature of science, we have learned many truths about the way the world around us works. I'm very sorry for the watermarks that appear in my videos. I apologize for the way my videos turn sideways. I had a very difficult time getting the videos to work, but hey, I did. I hope you enjoyed my video. If nothing else, hope you enjoyed a good song by POD. Boom.